Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of removing the arrow icon that typically appears next to the external links in Canvas LMS. You will also learn a quick and efficient method for removing the external link icon across multiple links on a single Canvas page at once, saving you time and ensuring a cleaner, more streamlined user experience. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, it really supports the channel. Alright, let's get started and make your links look exactly how you want them. In this example, you will notice a variety of links on this Canvas page, including both internal and external links. Upon closer inspection, you will see that external links are marked with an icon, which some Canvas course designers may find undesirable. The good news is that this icon can be easily removed while still preserving the functionality of the links. Let's walk you through the process of removing the arrow icon from the video link. First, click the Edit button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then, switch to the HTML editor by clicking on the HTML editor icon. In the HTML code, locate the opening A tag for the video link. Highlight the inline_disabled class and replace it with external. This simple change will remove the arrow icon from the external link. After making this update, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. If we take another look at the link which has been just edited, the arrow icon next to it is no longer displayed. Now, what if you have multiple external links on your page and you want to remove the icon from all of them? Manually editing each one can be cumbersome and inefficient, especially when the backend of your page becomes cluttered with code, making it harder to locate the individual A tags. To make this process faster, click the Edit button again, then switch to the HTML editor. Use the Ctrl-A keyboard shortcut to select all the code on the page, and then copy it using Ctrl-C. Next, open a blank notepad, and paste the copied code by pressing Ctrl-V. Once pasted, go to the Edit menu in the upper left corner of the notepad, and select Replace from the drop-down list. In the Find box, type inline_disabled. In the Replace box, type external. Then, click the Replace All button to update the class for all external links. After the replacement is complete, click anywhere in the notepad text, then use Ctrl-A to select all the code, and Ctrl-C to copy it. Now, return to the Canvas page. In the HTML editor, click somewhere inside the code. Use Ctrl-A to select all the code, and then paste the updated code by pressing Ctrl-V. Finally, scroll down, and click the Save button to apply the changes. As you can see, this method efficiently updated the external link icons across our page without the need to edit each one individually. We have now reached the end of this brief tutorial. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'm here to help. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.